Good morning everyone, Neha is back again with a new series for 5 days where we are going to practice yoga for flexibility. If you think you are not flexible enough, then you got to practice these stretches along with me after your regular warm-up, workout or yoga sessions. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the first stretch. Now keep your legs slightly apart from each other. Relax your shoulder back, interlock your both the fingers. Stretch your both the hands up straight, lengthen your spine. Tuck your tummy in as you inhale. Lift your hand up, and as you exhale, you're going to bend to the side. So when you go down completely as much as you can. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, down. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, down. Inhale, come to center. The last one we're going to hold. This is the maximum stretch. If you don't feel a good stretch, then you don't staying here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I could feel a good stretch. I'm sure you also have felt the same. Now to the other side. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale to left. Inhale to center. Exhale to left. The last one, inhale, exhale to the side and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up and drop your hands down. Okay. Now get your both the legs apart from each other. Okay. Toe pointing out 45 degree. Get your both the hands behind the ear, interlock your fingers. Lengthen your spine, legs out 45 degrees. Inhale, exhale, bend to the side. Come to center. Again one more side stretch. Down, center. 3, center, 4. Hold 5, 4. Open up your chest to the ceiling. 3, 2, 1. Center. The other side. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Center, bend. Center, bend. Last one, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center, drop your hands down. Now keep your both the hands to the waist. Lengthen your spine as it is. Maintain the stretch of your spine, which is straight line. Inhale. Exhale. Push your shoulders back and you're going to bend forward. Keep your thighs straight. Now as a beginner, sometime you might go only till here. That's okay. So from here, start your journey. Keep going down. Keep going down. Figure out a space where you can go down without bending your knee and which gives you a maximum stretch. Okay. From here, see, this is your maximum capacity. Your entire leg, you can feel the stretch in your hamstring. Okay, that is the idea. So from here, slowly drop your hands down. If your hand comes here, that's fine. So remember, practice according to your capacity. I mean, now when you talk about flexibility, nothing lesser than cats. Now from here, inhale. Exhale, slowly try bending your elbow. If you are flexible enough, you will go down. So drop your palm down. So here you have to find the maximum stretch and you're going to hold. Stay there. 5. Make sure you feel a good stretch in your hamstring. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up, hands on the waist, slowly come to center. Now from here, lift your both the hands up straight. We're going to create a circle for your whole body flexibility. Turn to the right side. Exhale. Make sure that your upper body pushes out as if you're trying to reach outside. And then create a circle. Turn completely to this side and come up. Exhale down, second round. And come to center. Exhale, third round. and come to center. Last one, fourth round. Bend down, feel the maximum stretch and come up. Now same thing the other side. Turn to the left, exhale, push your body out, down and come up. Turn to the side, exhale, down and come up. As slow as possible. Third one, down and come up. The last one, exhale, down and come up. Drop your hands down. Okay. Now from here, relax for a bit if you want. If it's too much of stretch, then come to center, relax your heel, relax your thighs. Now get your legs away from each other once again. Turn your right foot pointing outside and also try to turn your left foot pointing towards the right side. Okay. Keep your spine straight, both the hands down. Now exhale, touch the floor and come up. Exhale down, inhale, come up. It's possible that you might be still here, you're not able to go down, it doesn't matter. Practice only how much ever you can. Keep your front knee straight. Now, if you are good enough, you can also drop your palm down. So choose your flexibility accordingly. 2 more times. Exhale, inhale. Last one. Exhale, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Toe inside. Now turn to the other round. Okay. Spine straight. Push your hand forward. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. See the movement. I am pushing my hip forward. Spine is in a straight line. Down. Come up. Doesn't matter where you can reach. Just practice how much ever you can. Down. Come up. 3. Come up. 4. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Now get your leg together. First day, very basic stretches. Now you are going to do a forward bend. So bend your knee and then get your chest closer to the thighs. Okay, make sure that your spine is in straight line. Your knee is slightly bent, it is not in a straight line. Bend your knee and drop your hands in front of the foot. Okay, now from here, inhale up, exhale, bend forward all the way down. Inhale, come up, exhale all the way down. You can keep going down till you feel the stretch. You can also drop your palm down if you want. Inhale up, but keep your knee bent so that you can feel your glutes more. The last one, inhale up. The last one, exhale down. You're going to hold. So try to adjust your shoulder. Try to get your chest closer to the thighs. Drop your palm down. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So from here, keep your legs slightly apart. Okay. And now from here, slowly sit down. Push your both the knee out. Breathe in. Lengthen your spine. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Now extend your hands down. Take your leg back to full plank. Okay. Adjust your posture accordingly. Your wrist and shoulder should be in one straight line. Now from here, you're going to push your hip all the way up. Parvatasana to full plank. On tip of the toe. Move your hip back and forward. up, forward, up, forward. If you have a cat at home, you will know how difficult it is to practice with them. You don't invite them, but they just drop down to your mat without any invitation, and they'll be here to trouble you. Now we're going to hold in this posture. First we'll move our heel up and down, okay? Keep your spine stable. Don't move your spine. Just move your heels. And then try to push your spine all the way up. Keep your knee tucked in. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax in child posture. So this was all about mostly hamstring stretches, which will help you to open up your lower body and you can find the flexibility in your legs. So tomorrow we'll come up again with a different part of flexibility workout routine. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you so much.